so let me show you the data right. What I have given. That was for Active Directory Demo Application. So this is a group input mapping. If I go to ID JSON right. Yeah. It is the same, JSON. So it's like a one of our field. It was missing. For reconciliation field right. What we're taking. Object, GYD. And I have taken here entitlement value. And the format, what we were passing here earlier, right. That was causing issue, because if you look at the document, what this one given here right. So it is for the version 2023. That is the current version. And that is making the problem. You know, so like this member has right. So this member has in concept something. It is new. Is no. It is not there in our older version. So we have to accommodate with another version, right, that is. I am referring now older version of the document. That is, let me open for you that. Yes, even connector. If I open this connected document. So this is little old. That is enough for 5.53 version. But this document. I cannot copy anything, but I can show you. Okay, so if I try to search your group input mapping right. So this is the format, what I'm passing now. So let's look there in example 1. Right. So the same way. Right, I'm passing here what they have passed here. So it is nothing left. We know the same way. I'm passing here. Just you have to add. You know, ever require attribute. And do the recon. So along with that right if I do go save and test connection. So here what I'm passing here again. Like only that custom property one. Basically, I'm passing the common name. This common name attribute of this. Let me refresh this connection. Okay. We see in common name attribute. That is up to enter, and I'm passing to custom property, one which will store. And I get. The description of this attribute, I'm passing to this resolution. Attribute of our Saviynt. And it's a distinguished name, passing to the entitlement value. So same way, object class, also passing to custom property 2 and the distinguished name. Again I'm passing to the entitlement ID. So basically this entitlement ID. It is like a unique attribute. In your Saviynt. So I'm passing this information all over here, right? I'll save and test the connection. And I'll go ahead and simply run the job. So let me before that, it's more entitlement here. I'll go to Server Manager. Open the Server Manager and Tools. Go to Active Directory, User Input. And here let me create some more group. New group. I'll group the group map here, which is not present, literally. Okay, this group is created. Let me create one more group. So these are the sum group I created, right? And let's go and run our job. So again, how you want to go to the job control panel here. And go to data in the application. Data input. Click on action and start. So here I'll be giving the Active Directory demo group. That is your security system. External connection is automatically just what connection I'm using. The job type will be full import. And import type, I'll be giving access. And run the job. So let me open the log also. Inside. Okay, so the job is finished. Grab the log. Let me give 200. So last 200 I need to print. And if you see what is giving the information. This sum of the entitlement is giving rate, which is updating. Basically, it is printing all your query and entitlement here. Right. Let me come to the directory and just refresh the domain. Reload entry. Right. And if I go to GN user, I can see the domain. And so the maintenance rate is there. Let me go ahead and search in my security system. Go to security system. And open the security system. Active Directory demo. Go to endpoint. Open the endpoint name. And here go to entitlement type right. Open the groups. So you can see all the groups right. It is imported here total 53 groups. And same thing. We can search in the entitlement also. So click on the entitlement. You will see all the entitlement. It will be there. So instead of make 100. So you will see. So this flow, manager, flow richer, right. And your maintenance. Right, so these all the sentiment entitlement you got imported. So now we are gonna manage this entitlement and will be assigning user. This entitlement hours as well, right. So let me create some of the user as well. New year. Okay. So we did the entitlement input and we have the entitlement in our list. So now, we will assign the entitlement to the users and we'll do some request. Right. So earlier we have done our create account JSON, where we have passed. You know you have assigned some of the user there and to the application. Application. Let me go ahead again to a request write. Request access or the and find any of the active user. Click on this user. Click on next. Write. And search for Active Directory. So now I took at. Check out write. So here see in the select access upon write. You don't see anything.